Hello, and welcome to the channel. I am the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Thank you for tuning in. Now, today I have a much requested video of a price prediction on Link. Okay, we all know Link is the mother of oracles in cryptocurrencies. Its project is a brilliant idea. The tech is great that actually supports the fact that the data can be distributed in between blockchains, on-chain and off-chain data. All right, so the tech is there, the project is there, the tokenomics is brilliant too. But what is the price prediction? Okay, now I do follow a few channels on Telegram and Discord, and I do see sometimes very ridiculously hopium messages. Okay, saying end of year Link $1,000. Yeah, I don't think it's going to happen this cycle. Okay, no way it's going to happen this cycle. Okay, I'll tell you why though. First, the tokenomics don't support it, and second, neither does the technical analysis. Right? In my humble opinion, of course. Okay, my humble opinion. Now I'll show you why. All right. So in order for Link to go to about $1,000 from here on, it's a 70x. At this stage of the cycle, I just find it highly unlikely, almost next to impossible, I would say, that it will do a 70x, because it's such a large gap and the tokenomics are just not there. It's not like Link only has 30,000 tokens and it's going to fly all the way up to about $1,000. No. Okay. Yes, I do think all seasons they push up the price way higher than they're supposed to go, but people take profits along the way, man. Okay, so if somebody bought Link at $10 and this thing is flying all the way up to about 200, yeah, people are going to be taking profits. Okay, because at that time the bearish divergence is going to be so strong, no decent trader and patient trader is going to leave the money on the table. Okay, that's not how they trade. Now, what do I see personally for Link? All right, so here it is. For Link, first, what I will do is I will get a log view. Now, what do I see for Link? I see Link at maximum at about $65 to a maximum of $120. That is my price prediction on Link for this cycle. Okay, that is a 7x at the very max. Now, this is the reason why I mentioned at the end of this cycle. Okay, because at this stage of the bull cycle, which is too late, obviously you cannot expect for 100x. What happens is that many people leave their money on the table because people are getting smarter by the day. All right, so if somebody's getting a 4x on such a large gap that, by the way, has already done an insane 60x, highly unlikely is going to do another 70x and go to $1,000. Okay, it just seems unlikely. All right, so this is a realistic price prediction. I think for this cycle, what you can expect is about 3 to 4x or a 4 to 7x at the very max. Okay, at that stage, if you do get anything close to $100, I think it should be an exit point, and it's a brilliant exit point. Okay, considering how far we are in the cycle. This way, you avoid any future losses, or you avoid the fact that you have to hold it during the bear market, and you just buy it when it's cheaper. Now, I don't doubt at all Link can go way higher, but the fact is the technicals don't support it. Okay, now I'm going to delete this and we will review why the technicals don't support it. Now let's go back to the log view. Okay, what is there on the log view? We have 5 waves. So this wave 1 and this wave 2, which is the base. Wave 2 is the base for wave 3. Now wave 3 was too long. Okay, now this we're setting is base for wave 4, and then we have the 5th wave left. Now there are two possibilities. Either the wave 5 is going to be as equal as wave 3, or it's going to be the same length as wave 1. Okay, personally at this stage I'm shooting for wave 1 because I don't believe Link is going to give you a 2000% gains. Okay, and even if it does 2000% gains from here on, I don't think it's going to $1,000. Maximum this cycle is putting it at is $300. So anyone who says anything above $300, it's spreading opium. Okay, I don't think the technicals nor the fundamentals are there to support it to $1,000 this cycle. It will have to go at least to through a bear market, a heavy bear market, to do so. Okay, now that's just a wave theory. But when I look at this, the structure, I don't think it's complete. Okay, now before Link did break up and went all the way up to $50, but then eventually it broke down, and right now the price action is sitting under the 50 and the 200 moving average, which means the resistance is actually quite strong, and the stronger the resistance, the harder it is to break. It can break it, no doubt, but I don't see it anywhere further over $100 this cycle, because it will be tired. And the fact is, when it gets to about $100, you have seen it on my channel previously, but I will draw it to you again. It's a classic rounded top. Alright, look at where it's sitting, at about 84 to about $100. You can adjust this a little bit as the market goes along, but hey, anything above $100, I think it's highly unlikely it goes. And honestly, I will be personally taking profits of my trade. Okay, not a financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, nor this is investment recommendation. I'm simply putting it out there for educational purposes. So if it helps anyone make the right decision based on their own portfolios and their own risk management, by all means, take it into consideration. All right, so that is my price prediction on Link. Also, you have to keep in mind the BTC pair on Link. Okay, the BTC pair has also broken its long-term uptrend. Okay, now BTC pair, once it finds support and then goes up, I think the maximum it's going to go to is about its all-time high, which is a 4x, literally. And usually these things, they come to do a back test of its all-time high and then break down. So I don't think the technicals are there to support it. Okay, it's just starting the bear trend. Okay, it's very simple, honestly. All you have to do is just draw a trend line to check if the trend is broken. Yes, it is. It did the first bearish retest right here, then it went higher, did a bearish retest. Honestly, this thing, the pair broke down of a long-term uptrend, but the price was still going higher. So it's a massive bearish divergence, and it will be complete once it goes and retests its all-time high. Okay, you can extend this trend line all the way to the top, and then look, it just goes up to about a 4x. It's going to test this all-time high. It will still be under a long-term uptrend, which means it's broken, it's confirmed. So I don't think there are technicals out there to support it into $1,000. Okay, and I will personally not be holding anything above 100. Actually, I might just ladder out my sales. Anything up from 60, 80, and 100, that is where I am selling. Alright, hope this helps, guys. Join the Telegram group, link it is in the description box below. Join this channel, okay, like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends so you can spread out more information, and you will be notified when my next videos and live streams are uploaded. All right, thank you guys. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay blessed. Do also pray for the people in Ukraine, and pray we don't get a full-on world war. All right, there's enough suffering in the world already for us to have another war. Do me that favor, pray with me.
Don't wanna have to wait tonight.